Hello. I'm gonna have to close down the slides. Okay. Good morning. Cassandra, you are a new one, so is Cassie. Is it Cassie or Casey? Oh, she can't hear yet. Good morning.
Cassie.
Cassandra, did you get a package? It's Cassie. Okay, thank you. Did you get a package?
I have it in an email. She sent it to me. Yeah.
Okay, because we're going to use that today or fill in.
Okay.
Okay, so I just set out. Because and that's our theory.
It keeps cutting out.
And Casey, you're try to. It's not going to allow me to let you just sit with no. So either log back in and see if that will help you, and check.
Good morning.
Don't worry, you're only about this big when you get to see. When you see. Good morning. How are you, hon? Hello. Oh. It's down here. Okay, who did I know? Who did I miss? Oops. Sarah, there you go. Is that any better? Okay. Hi, Jasmine. And Alex, I said, where are you? I don't even see your face now. Hi, Avery.
Good morning.
Yes. Good morning. How'd you guys have a nice weekend? Got everybody in there? Yeah.
Yeah, I go to Costco.
You what?
I go to Costco.
They got great stuff.
Yeah,
there.
I
What are you
like
talking
Costco. By the way, I
about?
like Costco. I like stuff for Costco. Yeah.
Mhm. All right. Hi, Cassie, is it for you? And Casey, I'm sorry. That better? Hi, Destiny.
Hi. Yes, it's better.
Okay. I just need to see your face. Oh, your hair looks pretty, Destiny.
Thank you. It's still drying.
Oh, I like your makeup.
That's okay.
Thank you. I'm
I
still
know, it
what?
looks pretty,
Thank you.
really pretty. She's really pretty.
Yeah, she's pretty.
Thank
Okay, I'm
you.
looking for my new students. I can't see pictures. There you are, Cassandra. I got you. Good. Supposed to be 3, I think. Right, just 2.
There's 3 new students.
Casey, you need to, huh?
There's 3 new students.
Someone asking me anything? It's supposed to be. Looks like I've got 2, maybe. Oh, wait, no, 2 today because we had 1 last week. Okay, making sure I get everybody on the roll call. Okay. Fine. 1 second. Oh, I'm right in the middle of class. Okay. Can you just print one up for me so I can take a picture of it to send it to them? Yeah, they're teachers. Uh-huh. Yeah, well, it's skin. Because there's more key terms in that one than there is in mine for 8, and there should be more. Yeah, I'm doing Esthi key terms. Okay, so I just was talking to Connie because I have some keywords that I'm going to have you do from this chapter. This chapter is pretty strong. It's like the main chapter, I guess you could say, for you guys. So it's like 3 columns of words. So that's basically today. Okay, but you're also going to be able to make me the layers of the skin. Remember we talked about 5 layers of skin? More time, okay, so that you guys know exactly what to do with it. If you just put it, I don't even care if you put it in a plastic water bottle and cut the top of it off or something. Sometimes it's easier to put it in a glass so you can take a picture of it. But you're gonna, hey, what are you doing, girl? You're already got your makeup on.
No, I'm still doing it.
Okay, so you're going to make the 5 layers, the 5
I'm in that.
layers of the epidermis. So as we go to your homework, you'll be able to do this. What are you doing? Okay, my new girls, do you have the handout sheet? Did you pick that up from the school yesterday?
I have it in an email, so I just need to print it. But I have it. I have like
Okay,
all
do you
the
want-
to copy it over.
Okay, but we're gonna go through the slides and it helps fill in the slot from the slides. That's how we're doing our work. Do you understand what I'm saying? You'll be watching
Yeah.
a slide and I'll be lecturing. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you said you hadn't printed it up yet.
Fill it in at the same time.
Miss Janie, I don't think I
Okay.
got did you hand it out on Saturday?
Yeah. Don't you remember I was handing them, somebody made sure that I hand them out.
I
all
didn't
together.
get one.
Abe, Araceli, did you get yours? Because I remember
I
you
don't
were
think
the one that
Sarah
told
was
me
there. I did, Miss Jeannie. Yeah, I think Sarah
Oh.
wasn't there.
I
Okay,
wasn't there on Saturday either.
yeah, but you have a book,
Oh, you're talking about the book.
Catalina.
She didn't hand them
Yeah,
out. Saturday.
we're talking about your study guide. I can take a picture of the couple pages for you right now if you want me to send it to you.
Yeah,
Zip?
okay.
Do you want me to do that, Sarah?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. All right, give me just a second and I'll turn my Wi-Fi back on. Okay, has everyone else got it? Otherwise, I'm gonna send it right now to a couple of people if they still need it. Who's waving their thing up here like this? All right. Anyone else need it besides Sarah?
Yeah, me, please.
Some
Just
new
make
students don't
sure.
need it, huh?
Okay.
Okay, you have it in your book, hon,
Oh, my book? Okay.
in your textbook? Yeah, that's what we're going off of. Okay,
Thank you.
okay. You're welcome. If you didn't have your book, that's why I was gonna send it to you.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Okay. There you are. Okay. I hope you can see that. Okay, there's one. to, I don't know about you, but I'd like them on a separate paper or a page. There's a lot of information, so if I want to send you more, I will. Okay. And I'll send the rest of these today. How's that? Okay? That we have something to cover for this morning. How's that, Sarah?
Good, thank
Can
you.
help? You're
Yeah,
welcome.
thank you.
So I normally would have gone through the key terms with you this morning, except that the keywords are a lot. Like I said, it's going to be quite a bit of words. Okay, you know, when you did them, or even if Avery had done them before, this one's a longer list because I want to make sure that you guys understand these words. So I take it out of my cosmetology book because other than that, as far as knowing the definitions of it. So let me just make sure I've got everybody here. Okay. Okay. And Sarah. Thank you. All right, I may as well send it now because it's, so I will get it to you on break. You'll go through all of these. So your homework today is going to be to define those words. It looks like there's 109, 121. Okay, so that will be your homework today. I know, a lot of writing, huh? Okay, so this is going to be your biggest chapter. Okay, this is what your whole program is about, is the skin. Okay, and so this chapter is broken up into two parts. It's called the integumentary system, which goes through the functions of the skin, because State's going to want to know what the functions are, and the layers of the skin. Okay, that's the first part of it. The second part is going to be the skin care, how it forms, how it behaves, its conditions, its diseases, disorders, that type of thing. So we're going to just start out with a couple of things about our skin. Do you know what happens when you get a bruise? Did you know there's like two forms? I guess the bruise goes through two different stages in its healing process. The first one is basically inflammation, because you've either bruised it, right? You banged it up against something, let's say the side of your leg, your knee, whatever. Okay. Proliferation, excuse me if I'm saying that wrong, okay? And it basically means when there's new tissue and collagen actually trying to repair that damage. So we don't realize that we can actually look at somebody's skin and detect kind of illness they have, but you know that they're not feeling well. Pale skin usually means that there's not enough blood circulating through them. Okay. Orange, yellow skin could be jaundice, they're not eliminating their bile. There's a lot of different things that we can see. Even in the hospital, when people go in, they'll, they take your blood pressure, they take oxygen levels. They'll look at your fingernails to see if you're got that pink color that they like to see in there. Usually when you have surgery, they won't allow you to wear nail polish because they want to be able to see, if you are getting enough oxygen through the body. So the skin tells a lot of things. Excuse me. It's almost like it's giving everything that's wrong with you, and it's telling people on the outside of it, okay? Or it's at least giving us a notification like, pay attention to me because something's wrong, okay? So if you're going to go to your study guide or that package that I gave you, on the first page of 238, it starts out at the top and it says the functions of the skin, right? Okay, I'm going to give you a way to remember that right off the bat. Okay, and it's passer. If you look right underneath where it says 6 functions of the skin, it should be another S and then ER. That is a way to remember it. Just think of passer. which actually stands for protection, absorption, secretion, sensation, excretion, and regulation. They don't have it in that order, but that's a way to remember it. I'm trying to help you out there. All right. So the first physiology, and you're going to write in there, this is the study of the skin's functions, okay? So skin physiology is the study of the skin's functions. Okay. And let me see if I can pull this up right now, because I tried before. Give me just a second, I've got to pull that lesson plan up so I can get some slides up for you. Having it before just makes my computer crash. All right. I can also give you what skin histology is if you need that one put in, and that is the microscopic study of the skin's tissues. The microscopic study of the skin's tissues. I'm opening up the pinpoint here. Okay. Go to our learn. How about integumentary system? Okay. That basically means it's making up the skin and its layers. Okay. That's what you're going to write in there. It makes up the skin and its layers. So it's main layers. You can also write in there that the skin is the largest organ of the body. And next to the brain, it's the most complex because it will react to just about anything. It doesn't necessarily mean it's a good thing, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing either. I call it the notification center. Here we go. Bring this up so that you can see. All right, here we go. And dermatology is going to be the study of the skin, its structure, functions, diseases. And I'm ready to share here just one more time. Okay. Almost loading. Almost doing that. I'm going to share the screen. Okay. It's still loading. There we go. If it's coming up. I'm going to cancel. Let's go to this one. Sorry, guys. Does anybody need any of those repeated? While we're waiting for these slides.
Can you repeat
In 1 minute. Sure, go ahead.
the dermatology, please?
It's the study of the skin, its structure, functions, diseases, and treatments. This keeps saying it's going to be open here in a minute. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to cancel this one too. Hold on, you guys, because it's got two of them up here. Come on, just stop. All right, any of those needed to be repeated? Okay. There we go. Finally. And we'll have all all of these definitions as soon as I get the screen back up. Now, the dermatologist is going to be a physician who specializes in diagnosing and treating diseases of the skin. And it's hair and it's, well, I'm just done with this thing. All right. Start it over, maybe it'll work now. Sorry. Okay. I swear that little hamster, he's gonna die someday because he's just not moving this thing very fast. Yesterday we had to have our class, remember this? And it was quite interesting with all of us teachers trying to get onto the same internet. All right, Thursday, ladies, you're going to have an assignment until I can get in. I have jury duty supposedly. We're gonna find out if I have to actually go. If I don't have to go, then Miss Sue will just cover for me until I find out that, and then I will be back into the class as soon as possible. All right. It's better than letting you not come in and practice, because I think you'd rather come in here than stay at home for another day and take theory, right? Oh my Lord. Okay, I'm going to continue then until I'm waiting for this thing. I don't know why it's taking so long. All right, does everybody have the functions of the skin, right? Let's see what happens here. Skin physiology, skin histology, integumentary system, dermatology, and dermatologist. Okay, so here are our 6 functions of the skin. Okay, and I'm just going to start off with protection. And what you're going to write in there, it shields our internal tissues. Okay, it shields our internal tissues from toxins like pollutants, smoke, ultraviolet light, and other chemicals. So basically, it's our barrier to infectious bacteria, right? Keeps the inside in, keeps the outside out. Okay, so it shields the internal tissues from toxins such as pollutants, smoke, ultraviolet radiation, okay, and other chemicals. It looks like it's going to open here in just like seconds away. There we go. Good Lord. Okay, I have another student here. Just for a second. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna move these slides just to where we are, okay? So this is basically what we're gonna be learning, the 6 primary functions and the basic physiology of the skin. Okay. All right. Has everyone got this part filled in? Because this is what I was giving you while we were waiting for our slides to come up. Okay, you know that in the skincare industry, aesthetics is known as the process of cleansing, toning, moisturizing, protecting, and enhancing the skin. We do this to preserve it. Okay, I'm gonna move on. Here are your 6 functions, right? Protection, absorption, secretion, excretion, regulation, and sensation. Now the skin contains thousands of pores. They're little tiny openings or passageways that'll allow sweat or sebum, which is oil, okay, to pass through the surface of the skin. These pores can contain a hair follicle. But I want you to understand when they're using the word loosely there, okay? Oil comes from a hair follicle and sweat comes from a pore, okay? So the pore assists the skin in performing its 6 functions. Okay, it's going to lubricate the skin with the oil. Okay. And the mixture of the sweat and the oil turns into what is known as our acid mantle. All right, so we're going to go through these individually now. Okay. You with me there, Kat? Okay, here you go. So this is what you're going to start writing in your study guide or your notes. Okay. Protection shields the internal tissues from toxins such as the pollutants, smoke, and ultraviolet radiation, and other harmful chemicals. Substances like, okay, smoke. All right. It also tells us that our immune cells that are known as Langerhans will provide the body with the first line of defense against its infection. It identifies the foreign substances in our skin, okay, and goes after them. Absorption is where the skin will absorb either vitamins, acids, water, oxygen through those thousands of pores used to moisturize, nourish, and protect us. Okay. So everything that we apply to it, okay, is going to react to whatever we put on it, correct? So we're trying to preserve that skin. Secretion is where the skin secretes the sebum, which is oil, keeps our skin soft, supple, and pliable. That is a test question. Okay. It also prevents bacteria from invading the skin, which is known as that acid mantle. And the sebum actually affects the skin's pH. Our skin's pH should be at 4.5 to 5.5. Okay. Skin, hair, and nails are actually at that same level. Is that large enough on your screen, you guys? Yeah. When you have that filled in, would you give me a thumbs up? I'm not seeing any business off. There we go.
Miss Janie, could you
Thank
make
you.
it a little bit bigger?
Okay, let me see if I can. Here, hold on.
My face is like on the screen.
It didn't get very large, did it? Hold on a second. Give me 1 minute here. I think I can do it from here. Hold on. Forgive me. Enlarge. I'll have to take you off the screen. I'll have to stop it for a second. Okay, so hold on and I'll bring the screen back up for you. So enlarge it. Okay. All right, now let me make this a little bit smaller. All right, and then, okay. Share the screen with you again so I can make it bigger. Okay, and does that help? Right there, is that bigger? Is that better?
Yeah. Yeah. It's all right. Thank you.
Okay. Just want to make sure that everyone's got this. Like I said, when you do have this filled in, give me a thumbs up. New students doing? Oops, I'm taking this. That's moving the page. Sorry. There you go. So far, let's see. Miranda Foster, where are you? There you are. Hi. Did you pick up a package so that you know what we're doing?
I did. I'm sorry. I couldn't figure out how to get on Zoom on the laptop for the life of me. So I got in after the 6 functions of the skin.
We're going to, so you how to go back when we go get ready to go the class. Okay. So
I'm
and then
sorry,
this is
We can't hear you. You're like cutting out.
going on the middle part of that page. No, I'm
I'm
mute.
sorry, your
So I need to get closer
audio
to
is
the,
breaking up.
okay.
Your mic just keeps cutting out a bunch.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go out and come back in then, okay?
Okay.
So I'll be right back.